In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Chase bank account online. Now, you could do this both on a mobile device or on a desktop. If you are using a mobile device, please go ahead and install the Chase mobile application, which is free on both the App Store and also on the Google Play Store. So if you're here on a desktop like me, then what you want to do is you want to open up any web browser such as Google, then go to the search bar and look up chase.com. Okay, so here's how the website is going to look like. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down, and then over here, you guys are able to see all of the different services and types of accounts that you're able to get on Chase. So we're able to create business accounts, checking accounts, savings, etc. A lot of phenomenal options. You're able to go ahead and scroll through here and then go ahead and see which service does best fit your needs. Now for this video, let's keep it simple and create a checking account, which is right here. So let's just go ahead and select on checking. Then over here, it's going to let you know all of the information about your actual account and stuff like that. So you're able to go ahead and look through here, look at all the different like monthly service fees or stuff like that. And typically some of these services will include a fee, but you're able to go ahead and learn how to avoid them. So to avoid having the fee, you are going to need a significant amount of funds in the bank account. And that is something that is very important to note. And over here, you guys can make a Chase checking account for students or kids if you want, and even for premium as well. So a lot of great options. So let's just go ahead and select on open now to make a checking account. All right, then once you're over here, you're able to go ahead and select on open now. Now this process is going to be slightly different depending on what type of service you're trying to get. But across all of them, you are going to need to provide your social security number and your driver's license or a state ID. You could also use something like a passport as well, but it's important that you have that information. Then over here, it's going to ask you if you are an existing Chase customer. So if you used Chase in the past for any other type of services, please select on yes, sign in now, and then you should be good to go. But if you haven't, you need to select on no, I'm not a customer. So you're able to go ahead and continue. Then you need to input this information about yourself, such as your first name, your last name, your middle name, etc. Then you will need to enter in your date of birth, and you need to be at least 18 years or older in order for this to actually apply. All right, then you're also going to need to input an email address and a phone number, and then afterwards you're going to need to input other information such as your home address and of course your social security number. Okay, then after you actually make your account, you're then going to need to link a funding source. So basically what that allows you to do is that allows you to take funds from like a bank account, for example, or a debit card, and then you're able to deposit initial funds. So if you already have a bank account previously, you can link it and then you can actually fund it. And you'll typically get approved instantly or within 1 to 2 business days, and your debit card will arrive in 7 to 10 business days. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.